Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome to my channel, OMG MOTO. On today's episode, it's a review on these gloves right here, made by the Five Company. So the Five Company calls these custom Kansas leather gloves their most protective custom glove. They have this metacarpal shield right here that goes over your knuckles in case you were to ever throw down. I mean, not throw down, I mean go down. In case you were to ever go down, you can protect your knuckles, you know, on the concrete and stuff. What I like right here is this little Velcro strap, and then also they have a real zipper right here. It's a YKK zipper as well. And then they have a gusset right here. You can see this gusset. There's perforated holes all throughout the glove. There's pads right here on the fingers. You can see these pads. There's a little pad on the palm area right here. It's perforated with little holes all over. I'll tell you this, I've had these gloves probably a little over 2 years now. The only place where this glove seems to have failed at all is this used to be a little touch sensitive area where you could touch your cell phone and navigate through your phone. For whatever reason now this doesn't work. I don't really know why. I really don't care because I don't really touch my cell phone that much. I've got the Cardo systems unit and I can run everything off my headpiece, and with these gloves I can actually touch those buttons. I use the Pack Talk Slim, so it works for me. As far as riding with these in the summertime in hot temperatures, my hands, they don't overly sweat. I don't take them off and go, whew, man, I'm finally glad to get these gloves off. I've also ridden with these gloves in a torrential downpour, and to me, it really didn't seem like that it took any life off of the glove. I also have ridden with this glove during the winter. And you know, it wasn't too bad for just a leather glove. This Kansas glove is a full grain goatskin leather. It has what they call a closure adjustment system with the zipper. It has an accordion leather elastic cutoff. So even look, after 2 years, man, they're still in great condition. Look at this right here. The insides of them still look great. They don't stink. They just smell like leather. That's important when stuff doesn't stink. I actually was inside of a motorcycle shop and they were just taking them out of the box, and the dude in the back kind of goes behind the counter. He kind of said, man, I like those. Those look cool. And I just spun and kind of looked at him. I said, oh, let me see those. He pitched them to me and I tried them on and I thought, man, I like these a lot. So that's why I ended up buying them, and they've really been a good purchase for me, and I would recommend them. So if you're gonna take my word for it, which, you know, I'm just some random dude on the internet, I think I got a pretty decent channel. I don't know, you guys tell me, but if you're gonna take my word for it, I would say if you're on the fence about buying these right here, at least these custom Kansas leather glove, I'd get them. I appreciate you watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.